How to insert special characters in Google Docs. First of all, open your Google Docs document in the browser where you want to insert special characters. Next, click on the Insert menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down list, select Special Characters. This will open a pop-up window showing a wide range of symbols and characters. You can browse by category or use the search box to find the exact character you need, such as accents, math symbols, currency signs, or emojis. Once you find the character you want, just click on it and it will be inserted right where your cursor is placed in the document. You can keep inserting multiple special characters by repeating the process as needed. And that's it. Now you know how to insert special characters in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.